Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X, where we explore the hidden mysteries of our universe. The stories that lie beyond what our eyes can see. Tonight, we're traveling to a planet that has always fascinated humankind. A red world that glows in our night sky like a burning ember. Silent, ancient, and mysterious. Yes, we're talking about Mars, our closest neighbor. And maybe our lost home. Billions of years ago, Mars was not the cold and lifeless desert we see today. It was alive with blue skies, clouds, rivers, and even oceans. Scientists believe that Mars once had a thick atmosphere, enough to keep its surface warm and its water flowing. There were storms, rainfall, and vast oceans covering the planet's northern side. So huge they could rival the Arctic Ocean of Earth. NASA's rovers have found deep river valleys, layered rocks, and salt-rich soil, all evidence that water once shaped the surface of Mars. And where there was water, there could have been life. Maybe tiny microbes, maybe simple plants, or perhaps something far more advanced, lost long before our time. But something catastrophic happened. Mars began to lose its atmosphere, slowly, silently, and completely. Scientists believe its magnetic field collapsed. And once that protective shield was gone, solar winds from the sun stripped the air away. The oceans evaporated, the sky faded, and the once blue planet turned red. A graveyard of dust and stone. But even today, the story of Mars is not over. Frozen glaciers lie beneath its poles. Hidden lakes are buried under miles of ice. And deep below the surface, there might still be salty water and maybe life. In 2018, radar scans from the Mars Express spacecraft found signs of a liquid water lake under the South Polar ice cap. The first proof that Mars still holds secrets beneath its frozen shell. And if water still exists there, perhaps microscopic life still hides in the darkness, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Some scientists even believe that life on Earth might have come from Mars. Billions of years ago, when Mars was still alive, asteroids might have struck its surface, throwing pieces of Martian rock into space. Rocks that eventually fell onto young Earth, carrying microscopic life with them. If that's true, then we, humans, might actually be descendants of ancient Martians. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 orbiter captured an eerie photograph, a massive formation on the surface that looked like a human face. It became known as the face on Mars. Later images showed it was likely a mountain, a trick of light and shadow. But even now, some believe it's a monument left behind by an ancient civilization that once thrived there. Other satellite photos reveal geometric structures, pyramid-like shapes, and patterns that seem almost too precise to be natural. Are they just coincidences of erosion? Or could they be the ruins of a world that existed long before Earth even formed life? When NASA's Perseverance rover recorded the first sounds from Mars, the wind, the rumble of its own wheels, it was like hearing the breath of a ghost, a dead planet still whispering. The thin air of Mars distorts sound. High-pitched noises fade quickly, while low tones travel slowly, making the planet's voice deep and haunting. And yet, despite its silence, Mars calls to us. Every rover that lands there digs deeper into its history. Every mission brings us one step closer to understanding what went wrong Why did Mars die? And could the same fate await Earth someday? If Mars once had oceans and life, and lost it all because its magnetic field failed, then it stands as a warning. Because if Earth ever loses its magnetic shield, our planet could end up the same. Dry, cold, and silent. Mars isn't just another world. It's a reflection of our own future, a reminder that even living planets can fall asleep forever. So when you look up at that red light in the night sky, remember, it's not just a planet. It's a memory of what was, and a whisper of what could be again. Maybe one day, humans will stand on its surface, feeling the wind that once carried rain, and listening to the echoes of a world that used to be blue. So friends, what do you think? Was Mars ever alive? Could there still be life beneath its surface? Or are we just chasing ghosts written in dust and time? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. And if you loved this journey into the Red Planet's secrets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where every week the universe opens one more hidden chapter of its story.